Utuko wa kiri kirumaniririo mubunge wa Embakasi ya irathiro Paul Ongiri uria uikaine ta Babu Owino ekurana thiini thutha wa utongoria wa NASA kuremwo kuiguithia utongoria wa ceceni ya borithi ya Parklands kuria Ongiri ahingiirwo umurekererie. Utongoria wa NASA ukiuga ati ihitia riria nyitiirwo tireiganu guthie na mbere na kumuhingiriria.
They are holding him on a suspicion of a possible charge of creating a disturbance, a misdemeanor, and an assault, a simple assault, another misdemeanor. These are not allegations or possible charges upon which you can hold any Kenyan in police custody.
Police should be dealing with criminals, not innocent citizens at all. So we demand, as Honorable Wetangula said, that these innocent Kenyans be released forthwith. Babu Owino and the students, university students who have committed no crime also.
Owino araikirio ngono hwaini wa ira na rurenda-ini rwake rwa Twitter aroiga ati aranyitirwo na ihitia ria guthugunda kugarura thirikari na kuhurana. No maofitha a borithi marauga ati aranyitirwo nja wa mbunge ni maofitha ruhonge rwa Flying Squad thutha wa mbica cia CCTV kumunyita akihura murangiri umwe mwena wa Westlands. Gicunje kia rumiriri yake na kia arutwo University ya Nairobi gikugeretie kurehe githagathago nja wa ceceni ya borithi ya Parklands gikienda Babu Owino arekererio ona gutuika maofitha a borithi ni mahotire guthatia itanya riao ria kuingira ceceni-ini iyo.
He's being held politically. And when a country starts settling political scores through police action, then you know we are headed the wrong direction.
Whereas criminals are busy raping mothers who have given birth to their children at Kenyatta Hospital and going scot-free, police are busy arresting and harassing innocent citizens.
Babu Owino ni arikitie guthamirio ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Runda, maofitha borithi magikindira ati ahota guikara thiini nginyagia muthenya wa Jumatatu riria agakinywo igoti-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.